Hey, it's Kira from Move Like a Contrology Freak. If you are looking for a chest opening, hip opening, spine stabilizing, and joint strengthening workout, then dust off your spine corrector and join me for this quick workout. We're just gonna focus on the arm series and the leg series. I'm gonna use 2-pound weights. You have the option to use 1 or 2-pound weights or no weights at all. Let's start in front of the spine corrector and find our center. So find your Pilates stance first and then root down to the 3 corners of your feet, which is the ball of your big toe, small toe, and the center of your heel. Take one hand and place it on your lower back, the other hand at the base of your skull. Just take a second to grow tall. As you inhale, try to breathe all the way down into the hand on your lower back. Feel your tailbone drop. Next exhale, can you pull your lower abdominals into that hand like it's a vacuum? Inhale, breathe all the way down into your hand, feel your tailbone drop. Exhale, pull your abs in and lift them up to the hand behind your head. Inhale, breathe all the way into your low hand. Exhale, pull your abs in and up. One more. Inhale, breathe into your low hand. Exhale, pull your lower abdominals in and up. Relax your arms for arm circles. Keep that internal lift throughout the workout, okay? So as you inhale, float your arms up and breathe into your lower back. Exhale, lift your lower abdominals and circle. 2 more. Inhale, breathe into your lower back. Exhale, tops of your shoulders stay relaxed. 1 more. Inhale, breathe into your lower back. Exhale, feel your tailbone dropping your spine lift. Reverse your circles. Inhale, breathe into your lower back. Tailbone drops away from your head. Exhale, lift your spine. 2 more. Inhale, breathe into your lower back. Exhale, find that internal lift. 1 more. Inhale, reach up. This time, stop with your arms parallel to the mat. Stack your forearms one on top of the other. Press your arms into one another. Lift your collarbone up. Find that same internal lift and then descend all the way down. Send your elbows, chin, and chest forward. Take a seat on your spine corrector. Place your hands by your side. So we're going to start off with the arm series. That means you want to bring your tailbone all the way down to the bottom edge or the lip of the step. Grab your weights and then lie down on your back. Stretch your legs out long. Reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Let your head drape over the barrel. If you feel like your neck is stuck in hyperextension, take a small towel, fold it up, and place it underneath your head. If not, first find your internal lift here. Take an inhale, breathe into your lower back. As you exhale, lift your lower abdominals and pull them to the top of the barrel. Do that with a shrug. Inhale, push the dumbbells up towards the ceiling. Exhale, lift your lower abdominals, pull your shoulder blades back down. Inhale, push your fists up as you breathe into your lower back. Exhale, pull your lower abdominals to the top of the barrel. 1 more. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull your shoulder blades down. Keep your shoulder blades anchored into the mat. Arms stretch. As you inhale, let the weight of the dumbbells pull your arms back. Go as far as you can keep your ribs stable. You're trying to avoid this. So I'm trying to keep my lowest rib on the floor. And then press your upper arm bones forward and reach forward as far as you can without letting your shoulders round forward. Keep your shoulder blades anchored. Let's add some flow. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, pull your lower abdominals back towards your fists. Inhale, lift your lower abdominals. Exhale, reach your arms forward. 3 more. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, pull your lower abdominals to the top of the barrel. Inhale, lift your lower abdominals up more. Exhale and reach forward. 2 more. Inhale, arms go up. Keep your shoulder blades on the barrel. Exhale, press your triceps forward to move your arms and then lower. Almost pretend like you don't have hands. Your upper arm bones are doing the work. Exhale, I lost count. Arms go up. Reach your arms forward and pause. Lift your arms up towards the ceiling and then you're going to go into scissors. Turn your palms to face one another. Find that internal lift. So the other thing I'm thinking about is reaching my sitting bones towards my heels and my lower abdominals up. Now reach your arms back. Stretch your arms back. Feel like your chest bone is reaching towards your fists. And now press your right tricep forward. And then both arms go up on an inhale. Exhale, switch. And again, gently pull your shoulder blades together at the top of the barrel and switch. Pull your shoulder blades together to make sure they stay on the barrel. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, do you still have the internal lift? Reach your tailbone towards your heels. Pull your navel to the top of the hump. Inhale, lift. Exhale and switch. Final one. Pull your lower abdominals up and switch. Both arms go up. and then switch. Bring both arms up towards the ceiling. We'll go into arm circles. Turn your palms to face one another. I'm going to reconnect to my powerhouse. So watch as I reach my tailbone towards my heels and pull my lower abdominals to the top of the hump. Now as I inhale, my chest bone and my arms reach back, my legs lengthen forward. I pull my shoulder blades together to circle them all the way around and then back up. Inhale, my sitting bones reach for my heels. I lift my lower abdominals and I circle it around and back up. 3 more. Inhale, can you lift your lower abdominals to the top of the barrel? Exhale, circle. Now the other thing you want to pay attention to is your lowest rib staying on the hump, or is it popping up? Exhale. You control the weight of the dumbbells with your powerhouse. Reach back. Exhale, pull your lower abdominals up to the top of the barrel. Arms go up. We'll reverse for 5. Lift your lower abdominals up. As your arms go back, can you reach your tailbone towards your heels? And then arms go up. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, pull your shoulder blades together so your collarbone stays open, and then lift. 3 more. Reach your arms forward. Now tailbone towards your heels. Pull your navel to the top of the barrel and lift. Last 2. Reach your arms forward. Keep that length. Do you see your swan here? And then lift your lower abdominals. Final 1. Reach your arms forward. Circle them back. Can you reach your chest bone towards your fists, tailbone towards your heels? And now lift your arms up towards the ceiling and keep them there. Let's do that shrug that we started with. So push your dumbbells up towards the ceiling so your shoulder blades are off the barrel. Do a cervical nod and exhale. Push your chest bone into the hump and reach your fist forward to the wall in front of you. As I push my fist forward, I'm pulling my lower abdominals back, and then rest your head, arms go up and back. Let's do 2 more. As your arms go up, lift your lower abdominals, push your fists up. Notice my shoulder blades aren't touching. Curl your chin into your chest. I'm pushing my chest bone back in order to curl up. Tailbone forward, navel up to the top of the barrel, and then rest all the way over the hump. You have 1 more. Scrape the ceiling with your fist, and then curl your chin into your chest. I'm pushing my chest bone back and hold. Keep pushing your chest bone and ribs back. Pull your lower abdominals to the top of the barrel. Roll up and round forward. Reach the dumbbells forward, and then bend your knees and sit up tall. All right, let's move on. We'll do the leg series. I'm going to adjust my barrel just a little bit. To set up for the leg series, you want to sit slightly in front of the apex. So this is the top or the apex. My sitting bones are in front. Place 1 foot on the step, the other leg goes forward. Hold on to the metal handles and round your spine. And then curl your tailbone under. I'm pushing into the step with this foot. And the first thing to touch should be your shoulder blades, and then your head. Bend your knees into your chest. Go into like a tabletop. You want to make sure you can lift your head off the mat to make sure you're the proper distance. I'm going to lift my hips up, pull the barrel underneath my waist, and I want to make sure my lower back stays adhered to this hump. Now, as you pull the barrel into your waist with your arms, press your arms into the mat so your collarbone is open. That's your foundation. Press your inner thighs and knees together, and now press your inner heels together and press your knees apart so they're only as wide as your shoulders. When you do that, you should feel what I call your underbutt, right here. And then close your knees. 2 more. Press your knees together and your heels together, and then pry your knees apart, but feel like you're squeezing your sitting bones together. And then return. 1 more. Press your knees open into a frog. Feel your tailbone heavy. Now keep squeezing your sit bones and reach your legs up towards the ceiling. Before we do leg circles, let's see how low we can reach our legs. So keep squeezing your sitting bones, press your thighs away from you, and pull your lower abdominals up underneath your ribs. See how low you can go. But also make your legs longer. Can you pull your lowest rib into the hump? Make your legs longer and lower. Pull your lowest rib onto the hump. 1 more. Pull with your arms, reach with your legs. That's the bottom of your circle. And now lift your legs up from here. Press your ribs down to lift your legs up. To start the circles, open as wide as the hump. Press your thighs forward and down. Find that low point without arching. Press your lowest rib into the hump. And then squeeze your sitting bones into your heels and lift up. We'll do 5 for flow. Open, reach forward, around and up. I'm trying to touch the wall in front of me, but keep my lowest rib on the barrel. Reach, around and up. 2 more. Reach, pull your lowest abdominals into the barrel. Reach, around and up. Now reverse. Reach. Can you make your legs longer and pull your lower abdominals back? Circle it around and lift. And again, pull your lower abdominals under your ribs. Always finding that internal lift that we started with. Reach, circle it around and lift. 2 more. Pull your lower abdominals up, around and lift. Final 1. Pull your lower abdominals in, circle, bring your legs up to the top and pause. Legs are perpendicular. Make sure your legs don't drift back and your tailbone come off the barrel. Feel the weight of your tailbone down. I'm going to turn parallel for scissors. Once again, pull the barrel into your waist. Press your upper arm bones down. The energy of my legs is reaching up. Now from my sit bone, I press my right thigh forward as low as it can go. Notice I didn't move my left leg. I'm trying to make this leg reach forward. Now pay attention to your lower back. Even pressure on both sides of your lower back. To lift your leg comes from here. I pull my lowest rib into the barrel to lift. Now reach your right leg up towards the ceiling as your left leg goes forward. Now can you make that leg longer? Press your hamstring towards the hump and then pull your ribs into the barrel to lift. Right leg, reach it forward and down. Feel like you're pressing your inner thigh down towards the hump. Make sure your left lower back stays on the hump and then pull your abs in and lift. One more like this. Press your left inner thigh forward and down. Pull your lower abdominals into the hump and lift. Now, reach your right leg forward and down. Try to touch the wall. Keep reaching that leg forward and now use your powerhouse to pull your left leg back. That's your scissor. And now switch. Lift up, left leg goes forward. Keep pressing your inner thigh down, pull your right leg back, and now we flow. From your upper abs, lift to switch, lift and switch. I'm not thinking about the leg that's going towards my face. I'm thinking about reaching my leg across the mat and to the other side of the room. Switch and switch. Are you still finding that internal lift? Pull your lower abdominals in and up. Of course, I didn't count. Let's do one more set. And then from here, bring your legs up, bend your knees into your tabletop. Press your legs together. I'm squeezing my butt bones, my sitting bones together so I feel my underbutt. Press your inner heels together and pry your knees open. Keep squeezing your underbutt. Reach your legs up towards the ceiling. Walking. It's little scissors. My right leg goes just below my left, and then I switch, but at the same time my legs are going forward, I'm finding that internal lift. You find that low point, and then you walk back up. Reach forward to go up, forward to go up, forward to go up. Both sides of your lower ribs on the mat. Once you come up to the top, let's flow. 8 steps down, 8 up. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back down. 2. Reach out of your waistline. 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more set. Reach. 2, 3, 4. Do you feel that internal lift? Pull your lower abdominals up. Back up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend your knees into your tabletop. If you need to readjust the barrel, lift your hips up, pull the barrel into your waist, and press your upper arm bones down. Let's go into bicycle. Press your legs together. Press your inner heels together, open into your frog. Find your butt muscles, and then reach your legs forward. Go into a scissor. Reach your right leg forward and down, and pull your left leg back. Equal weight on both sides of your lower back. Keep pressing this thigh down towards the hump. Bend your knee like you're trying to scrape the barrel. Pull your heel all the way up the step, and then find your scissor. Press your left inner thigh down, and then press your thigh down as you bend your knee, and then find your scissor. Bend your knee, exhale, find your internal lift. Bend your knee, pull your lower abdominals in and up and scissor. A little faster, and reach, and reach, and pull your lower abdominals into the hump. Switch, and switch. One more set, and switch, and switch. Now reverse. I'm going to bend my right knee, try to drag it along the hump, and then reach it forward and down so my left leg goes back. And I bend my knee, I slide it along the step, find my scissor, and then switch. Pull your lower abdominals in as you press your hamstring down. Switch, and pull your lower abdominals in and up. One more set, switch, and switch. Bring both legs up, bend your knees into your chest. To come off, curl your tailbone up, push the barrel out from underneath you, rest your knees on top of the barrel, rest your arms by your side. Take a second to feel your hip creases soften. Feel the weight of your legs just drape over the hump. Take a big breath all the way down into the backs of your hips. As you exhale, feel that internal lift as your chest falls wide open. And again, inhale, breathe all the way down into the backs of your hips. As you exhale, pull your lower abdominals in and up. Chest is wide open. Arms are heavy. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you for the next workout.